Hello travelers, welcome to my channel. I'm Anaïs and I'm here to show you and help you why you should travel alone. Make that jump and I will promise you it will be the best and greatest adventure in your life. Let's get started.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
In this video I will show you 5 reasons why you should travel alone. First reason, complete freedom. When you travel alone, you can schedule and plan anything you want and do whatever you want. The best reason is you can manage your time. Just take a break because you're like so exhausted, or wake up later. Another good reason to be free when you travel alone. If you don't want to go home, you can stay whatever you want much longer. Not because your friends has to work tomorrow or next week. Second reason, you get to know yourself better. You will discover yourself, be exposed of greatest experience, and discover that kids always dream about adventure. Go to destinations far away from home. You might find answer of your purpose life. Third reason is get out of your comfort zone. It sounds scary, right? But like I said, there's nothing to be afraid about. When I was in my own, I had to figure out how to take the right gate at the airport. And for the first time when I went to California, I was to Amsterdam airport. And I didn't know which gate I had to go. And all the time I needed help. I always found people happy to have me. Those challenges, you make you grow. And it's the best experience in life. Next reason, you meet new people. You don't want to travel alone because you're afraid of loneliness, but there are plenty, and you meet a lot of people when you travel. Airport, on the queue because you want to go to the museum, you always find someone to help, to discuss, to have a great conversation. And maybe there's some tourists who travel alone like you, and just wondering, do you mind to take a pictures? You would just go say yes, and you're gonna just have a little conversation. Where are you from, for example? I always meet wonderful people when I'm traveling, and they always make my best memories. They always make my day, and it's beautiful. And believe me, it's out there when I'm traveling. I'll meet the most wonderful people in my life. Fifth and last reason, it will boost and learn your confidence. I just have to say, it gives you the opportunity to know yourself. And you'll become a stronger person. If you travel alone, you will see there's nothing to fear or worry about. You could be able just to chill and enjoy every good moment. And the best things, when you're back home, you will learn new languages, even a few words. You will have new memories and new stories to tell. You will become a new person. In my first travel, I was 23. I went to California in USA, in Malibu Creek, somewhere in the Malibu mountain, completely far away from home. And when I came back home, I made new friends. I became a new person, and I had the best adventure in my life. Definitely life changing. Go to discover the world, new culture, and it will change yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and I see you next week. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!